Hello students, let's continue our exercise of lesson The Scholar's Mother Tongue. Be ready. Dear students, open page number 105. Say aloud. We say, I learnt my lesson, in which learnt means action word. But a learned Pandit came to the court, in which learned is a describing word. We pronounce it as learned. Two rhymes with created, waited. Now solve this exercise. Tick the words which end with sound id. Speak with me. Accepted, which end with sound id. So tick mark. Then completed. It also sounds with id. So tick mark on that. Then find, answered, challenged, licked, irritated, cried, celebrated, which end with sound id. Same irritated also ends with sound id. So tick on irritated and celebrated. Then next, filled, surprised, fried. So you have to tick on four words, that is accepted, completed, irritated and celebrated. Next exercise, word building. Make a class dictionary with the words from the story. Try to find suitable words for them in your mother tongue. Say this word aloud. Then make sentences with those words in your class dictionary. Here are the examples of words with sentences. Second, write all the words that show you are happy. Hooray! Ha ha! Yeah! Yippee! Number 3, tick the right answer. 3 options are given to you. You have to select the correct one. In that one, I visited the court of Akbar means you came there for a short time. Tick in option B. Second, to imitate someone means to copy someone. Tick on option A. Question 4. Look and fill in the columns. One has been done for you, that we have already done. Question 5. Match the words in column A with the words in column B. You can see here. In A side, words are king, teacher, doctor, bus driver, lawyer, mother. B side, children, patients, courtiers, clients, passengers, students. Now start to match king, courtiers, teachers, students, doctor, patients, bus driver, passengers, lawyer, clients, mother, children. 6 number. Play this game with a friend. Pick up what you want from any basket. Add a or an before it. For that, you should be careful about the first letter of the word. That if it is consonant and singular, then you have to add a. And if it is vowel and singular, then you have to add an before to the word. See, rug, a pillow, a bed sheet. In second basket, an alarm clock, a wall clock, a wrist watch. In third basket, an apple, an orange, a banana, an ice cream. In downside fourth basket, a bow, an arrow, a ball, a bat, a doll. In last basket, a waistcoat, a long coat, a raincoat, an umbrella. Here are the sentences which you have to make by using words from the baskets. See on page number 109, the truth balloon. Suppose you are going on camping holiday. What are the 4 most important things you will carry with you? Choose from the tags attached to the hot air balloon. Answer is first aid kit, food packets, water bottles and money. Now it's fun time. In that crossword fun. India is a country of many languages. Let's see if you know what the people of the states in this crossword puzzle speak. The clues are given below. The first letter of each answer has been filled in for you. Try to solve yourself. Check your answers with this. That's it for today. In next video, we will start our new unit. Till to that, bye bye.